I almost cried when I understood why Trump didn't invite any African leader at his inauguration. Understand everything now. At a press conference held in Washington at the White House, Trump made profound statements against African leaders. Donald Trump explains his statements against Africans. If after 50 years of independence you have not built the necessary infrastructure for your people, are you human? Donald questioned. If you sit on gold, diamonds, oil, uranium, iron, copper, silver, magnesium, crude oil, gas, if your people die of hunger, without health and with nothing to live on, with terrible education, do you feel human? Donald said, if you stay in power, you buy weapons abroad to kill your own citizens, are you human? If you despise and shoot your own citizens like nothing, who will respect them? If you become a thief in your own country, stealing all the resources destined for your country, while most of your brothers are miserable, starving and living very poorly, is that being human?
Big lie. Trump invited the leaders of AGovC and AGovC.
Yesterday, the Vice President of Ambazonia Governing Council, he put out a message for inform all Ambazonians. Say from the end of this month until further notice, the council, they don't tell the Ambazonian people, the forces on the ground, that they inform Ambazonians, say all the roads where they connect Ambazonia and La Republique, they will be ghosted. They road them, the highways and they road them where they connect Ambazonia and La Republique from the end of this month. They will be totally ghosted. They will be totally ghosted. Movement. There will be no movement. Movement no will be between Ambazonia and Cameroon from the end of this month until further notice. Zero movement. Even for food, movement no will be. Even on top Okada, movement no will be. Even you turn yourself like Nyamangoro and you crawl for try for cross. That one no go happen. So if you be Okada person, no movement between Ambazonia and La Republique. If you command La Republique, no movement between Cameroon and Ambazonia, because the road, the borders between Ambazonia and Cameroon, they could be totally ghosted from the end of the month until further notice. The Vice President and the forces, that they advise all Ambazonians, all trading, make it take place internally between Ambazonia, amongst Ambazonia. Cameroon, it don't make the cost of living from Ambazonia, make it go up, 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 up. The Vice President, the Council, and the forces, they try to bring down, or do their best to bring down the cost of living for inside the Ambazonia territory and for protect the Ambazonian people then from hyperinflation where Cameroon is not engineer. The Cameroon government, they try for commit massacres. They try for kill market women. They try for kill people the way they enter inside motor. The Cameroon bees, this decision now for protect the Ambazonian people then from the killings where Cameroon want cause them. The Cameroon government, they want kill hundreds of Ambazonians. Hundreds of Ambazonians. For blame among the Ambazonian people then. for blame them on the Ambazonian people then. Because Cameroon never be ready for negotiate. Cameroon not be ready for dialogue. Cameroon not be ready for negotiate. Cameroon not be ready for a peaceful political settlement of this conflict. Cameroon not be ready. Ngongo, he go for Norway. He tell the Norwegian government about 3 months ago, the faction of the Biya government will be controlled by Ngongo. They travel to Norway. They tell the Norwegian government and the Canadian government, say they not be interested for any negotiation. Their goal now for finish the war through military means. Their goal now for commit as many massacres, kill as many Ambazonians as possible. And they tell Norway and Canada, saying that they are positioned that they must clean everything from Ambazonia. When I remember what I explained for una, if some person look at you like something with the feed, they look at you like you not be a human being, why they can't negotiate with you? They not see you as a person. They not see you as a human being where they value you. They not see you as people. They not see we as people with human value. They not see you as people where they be qualified for being called people. That's why no one can negotiate with you. That's why they use the tactics for recruit new set of enablers for diaspora. They already get the one for ground. That's why, as Uncle Larry don't tell you now, they don't go after all the longer throat. The one they be one use the liberation. But tell you say they fight for una. Cameroon don't go use them. It don't settle them. Don't settle everybody. Don't settle everybody. That's why they go for Norway and for Canada. Tell them say they don't already finish the political settlement in terms of buy all the people there. So make you understand. We must protect our people them. We must protect their dignity. We must safeguard their lives, and we must protect their future. Not try. Save your life. Save your mommy life. Save your uncle life. Save your life. Cameroon not be able to protect the woman, the deputy mayor. What about you? Will you be just a normal person who Cameroon they try for discard you? Now you do can protect you. Not try for cross for say you want to leave Ambazonia, you travel to Cameroon. And not try for talk say you want to leave Cameroon, you come back, you want to travel to Ambazonia. We'll not get a few more days for do any traveling between Ambazonia and Cameroon. From the end of the month, the midnight of the end of the month, the border they be completely ghosted. Now constant battleground. The borders they be completely ghosted. You want pass, when gone, fight, it come up. You get caught up in the crossfire. Now you go explain that for God why you fail for listen for common advice for protect you. Protect yourself. Keep yourself safe. This information now for help you protect yourself and for preserve your life. We value your life. We honor you. We love you. We want to make you live. That's why we can't give you the information in advance. Protect yourself. Love yourself enough. Honor yourself enough. God wants to make you see freedom and you live a good life. And the same thing want for you. So be patient until further notice. No traveling to La République and no traveling from La République to Ambazonia from the end of this month. At the law of the land, save your life. Be smart. Be safe. But the message that we will talk again.